Hello friends, I'm so happy that you are all here with me today and welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Alyssa and today we're going to be making this adorable butterfly accordion card or mini album. And of course you don't have to put a butterfly on the front, but I just thought it was super cute and springy. And let's just jump right into this sample here and do a flip through. So this little guy measures 4 by 4 and I tied it shut with some twine. Here's what the back looks like. It's just plain. So let's untie this. And then you've got your butterfly here right in the middle and it pops up like that. And so it's just folded accordion style. So you have spaces here to write notes, or you can put little cutouts like that. Here's this side. I love this little "Go Live Your Life" cutout on the laptop there. I think that's so cute. And then of course you'll just open this up like so, and you have all of these panels to write little notes. You can put stickers like I did over here, more little cutouts. Love this high five one. And I just put this quote right here in the middle, which I love: "When it rains, look for the rainbows." But you can also put a 4 by 4 photo here, since the whole card or mini album measures 4 by 4. You can put scrap paper and write your own little note. You can do whatever you want right in the middle. And you can even make a pocket in this middle part and stick a little gift card inside, just to give you guys some ideas. And then you can even put something like on the back too. I just left mine plain, but you have space to put messages or photos there as well. But yeah, just a super cute little accordion card or mini album, whatever you want it to be. And I just love the butterfly on the cover. So let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial and make one together. As always, we're gonna start out with our scoreboard, and you want to first cut out 2 sheets of paper that measure 4 by 4. So one of them is going to be the inside of your little card, and then the other one is going to be glued to the back like that. So you just want to keep 2 papers. They can be the same cardstock paper or 2 different patterns like this. So just go ahead and cut those out first so that you have those available. And then for our little accordion flaps, you will just need 2 sheets of paper that measure 6.5 inches by 4 inches. So you can use any patterned cardstock that you have, or you can use plain cardstock and just cover up each of your panels and use up your scraps. So I'll show you that as well. So for our 2 sheets here that measure 6.5 by 4, we're gonna line them up at the 6.5 inch side, and we're just gonna be scoring this at 2, 4, and 6 inches. So we've got 2, 4, and 6. And we'll do the same to the other one here. 2, 4, and 6. Let's just go ahead and fold our scores down accordion style. Like so. So see this little 1/2 inch tab here? This is gonna be my page on the inside of my card. So the little tab is just gonna be glued right onto the back like that. And then the rest of this is just gonna be opened up like that. So just keep in mind the direction of your print if you're using a patterned paper for the accordion flaps. or just make your life easier and use a non-directional pattern or a plain piece of cardstock paper. So this one I've accordion folded again, and let me make sure, I actually want to fold them all the other way. Like that, because this paper kind of has like a texture on one side and the other side's a bit smooth. So I guess I want the textured side to be on the inside. Now everything is good. So next, let's go ahead and just glue our flaps to the back of this 4x4. I'm gonna just pop some glue right on my 1/2-inch tab here. And just gonna put my 4x4 right on top. And make sure that this can still close over nicely. All right, so there's my tab on the back, and we're gonna do the same thing with the other side. And place the 4x4 on top over here. So that's all set, and it's gonna close like this. And now let's add the string next. So we're just going to paper clip our little flaps down just to make our lives easier. And we're gonna flip this over to the back. And you can use ribbon or twine or any kind of string that you have. I'm just gonna use this plain string here. And basically, we're just gonna be taping this to the back of our card right in the middle. And I'm gonna give myself a lot of extra string. So let's go ahead and just grab some tape and we can tape this right on. And I'll just pop one more piece right down the middle. And then once that's all set, we're just going to take our other 4x4 and we're gonna just glue it right onto the back there. And we can just turn this over and we're going to, well, I'm going to pick out a butterfly die cut to put on my cover. So I'm gonna stick this orange butterfly on the front here, and these are from Dollar Tree. I have like a bunch of packs of these butterflies. And I'm just going to kind of curl up the wings of my butterfly, just using my little scoring tool here, just so it looks a bit more 3D and it kind of pops off of the page, but you don't have to do that part either if you don't want to. And now we're just gonna go ahead and cut this guy in half. Sorry, butterfly, but just cut it right down, or sort of right down the middle. And then I'm gonna pop some glue, just like about that much, right on the edge here. And this part is gonna go on the left side. And the other part's going on the right. Right, so we've got our butterfly all set for our cover, and now we can go ahead and decorate on the inside and the outside too. So let's go ahead and just do this part first. I did go ahead and cut out some of my scraps because I'm going to be just placing them on some of the panels of this card. So like that. And then the measurements of these are 1 7/8 by 3 7/8. So pretty much just a little less than 2 by a little less than 4. If you're doing it the way I'm doing it, or if you have single-sided paper or anything like that, you can always just go through your scraps and cut out little strips of paper like this to cover up any blank panels that you want to cover up. So for this part and this part, I'm just going to leave like this middle section alone because you can always write notes on this plain green paper as well. All right, so now I'm just gonna open this up and start working on the insides. All right, so I've gathered some more little cutouts over here, and I definitely want to put this one in the middle. Again, you can put a photo, make a little pocket for a gift card or anything like that. And then I actually am just gonna put some little cutouts right in the middle here. And I also just cut out this little heart by hand. And I'll just put it there. And I will make a little pocket. And I will just stick this little party animal cutout right inside. Or just go in with some more scraps as well. Let's see. And make little tags. Oh, that's definitely not even, but that's okay. So yeah, any tall, skinny little goodies can fit inside. So now we can just close this up like an accordion. And how cute is that? And then again, you have these panels as well. So how I'm gonna wrap this up is I'm just gonna take my right string and wrap that around once. And then I'm gonna take my left string and wrap that around the same way one time. And then I will just bring both of my strings to the front and tie a little bow, and that's gonna be my enclosure. I did not do this with my first one, so it didn't really close as much as I had wanted it to. So I'm just gonna see if this is any better. And I cut myself way too much string, but that's okay. It's better to have more than not enough. All right, so there's the cover. And I mean, look at all this excess string. Obviously, I'm going to chop that off and save the excess for future use. But there we have our little butterfly accordion card or mini album, whatever you want to make it. And again, you can put pictures or add pockets or whatever you want to the back too. But this is just so fun and interactive. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more crafty fun. And I'll see you all in my next one. Happy crafting, everybody!